Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the size of objects in Canva. By the end, you'll confidently resize images and text boxes without any fuss, all using the basic tools built right into the editor. This is a core skill that helps your designs look balanced, professional, and intentional, whether you're creating product images, banners, social posts, or store graphics. Start by opening your project in Canva so you can see your design on the canvas. Pick any element you want to adjust. This could be a photo, a graphic, or a text box that's already on your page, like a product image, logo, or headline. Click once on that element. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it. This outline has small handles along the edges and circular handles at the corners. Seeing that box is your confirmation that the element is ready to be resized and that Canva knows exactly what you're working with. Now, to change the size, simply click and drag one of those handles. If you drag a corner handle, the element grows or shrinks in a balanced way, which is great for keeping images looking natural and avoiding distortion. If you drag a handle on the side or the top, you'll change just that single dimension, making it wider, narrower, taller, or shorter. As you drag, watch the live preview so you can stop when it looks right and fits your layout. When you release the mouse, the element will stay at the new size, and you can immediately see how it fits with the rest of your design. This makes it easy to adjust spacing, create visual hierarchy, and keep everything feeling aligned. If you're working with a text box, resizing the box changes the space the text has to flow, not the font size itself. That means your text will rewrap to fit the width you set, which is handy for aligning captions, keeping product descriptions tidy, or fitting headlines neatly into a banner or section. For images and graphics, resizing adjusts their dimensions directly. Keeping an eye on the corners usually helps maintain clean proportions, especially for photos. This is important for product images, where stretching or squashing can make items look unprofessional or misleading. A few quick tips as you work. If the handles are hard to grab, zoom in so you can make precise adjustments. Try to resize from a corner when you want to keep things looking consistent as you drag. Canva may show alignment guides that help you keep your element balanced with others on the page. And remember, making something extremely large can reduce its visual clarity, so aim for a size that looks crisp and intentional, especially for logos and product shots. That's really all there is to it. Open your project, click the element you want to change, and drag a handle on the bounding box to resize. Practice on a couple of different objects, an image and a text box, to get a feel for how each responds. Once you do it a few times, it becomes second nature, and your designs will look cleaner and more polished in no time. If this tutorial helped you, give it a quick like. It really supports the channel. And if you're building a Shopify store or creating designs regularly, be sure to subscribe for more clear, practical Canva tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.